Good boy.
Right, do this one real quick.
Watch out, Colt. Wow, look how strong you are, right? That goes in really quick. Wow! Alright, start Colt enough one.
Alright,
Watch his hand, watch his hand.
Colton, move.
Okay, there you go.
No,
Look, Colton, get that one. Get that one. Yay! Bang, 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 bang.
Oh. I'm being very careful, Mom.
Good
No,
boy.
Colton, this one.
Bang, bang, bang. Good boy.
Colton, need some nails? Alright, we're poking nails. I'm just doing what I want, Mom. I can't
Yeah.
just hammer nails everywhere.
Wherever you want, you can hammer
I'm just
them.
gonna I don't want to carve it. I just want to hammer it.
We're not going to carve this one. We'll carve the other one. Good
All
job,
right.
Colton. Very
That's what I
good. Watch your fingers, Rye.
No, Mommy, don't worry about me. I'm gonna hammer.
So who taught you to use your fingers to hold it and then let go when it goes in? Who taught you that? Uncle Nick?
Yeah.
That's really clever, Rye. Wow. You know what? If you hit too hard, you might bust the pumpkin.
That's what I want. Bust the
You want to bust it open?
Nope. Yep.
Then you won't be able to hammer
I
nails
want
in.
pumpkin pie.
Well, bust the other one open. Don't bust this
Yeah,
one.
can I bust everyone? I want pumpkin pie. I
Yeah.
love pumpkin pie.
What are you doing?
Ready, help, Colton?
There you go. He's got it. He's got it.
Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang.
No, Mommy.
Watch his fingers, Rye.
Uh-oh. No, Mommy, the closer you get for the closer you get, Mommy.
Yeah. Good boy.
Ready, hammer this frosting, Colton?
No, no, no. Let him do it.
All right, Colton.
Let him do it.
Hammer.
Yay!
There.
Good
Can
job.
I finish it off, Colton?
Bang, 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 bang. Wow, those ain't coming out.
No, Colton.
Let him do that one.
It's okay, Colton. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't
He's learning from you, Rye. You're doing a good job
You're
teaching
very
him.
good